Euro USD, now we are based on daily chart. Okay, based on daily chart, as we can see here, the price is correcting. Now the question is whether this is the end of this correction and this is the one is going to move down, or we going to get this correction. That means there's a possibility the price move up before we get this move down. Okay, this is what we highlight in my last analysis. Okay, and we say mostly we will want to get the mostly maybe get the correction here. In this case, we move to forward chart. All right, if you refer back to my last video when the price was here, we mentioned that we are looking for the down move. This is what we were expecting, but the question was whether this is the start of the down move to come to this level. All right, this means if or we get the correction reversal, because in that video we mentioned that we want to get the down move, but the question is again whether the one can go to this level or we get the correction in relative to this for next move up. Okay, because if you refer to my last video, we have two options. The first option was this is the only move as what we expect, explain based on daily, and this is the one can move to this level. Or the second one was may we get a correction, and after that we get one move up before we get down move. Okay, now as what we have here, we expecting we may get this correction. That means the price from here can move up. This is what we are looking for, but the only question is how deep this one can go. Okay, we get reversal from here, the price can drop somewhere around here, we get the reversal, or even can break this low. We are not sure. Okay, but what we wanted, we put this in relative to this, and we expecting the up move. Okay, do we have any information here? That means any buy setup, we don't have it. Even there is a possibility we get the small correction here, we get one move down before that, but right now we don't have any information whether this one can continue or reverse. Okay, in this case that means we don't have any buy or sell setup. How about the indicators? We don't have anything yet. In this case we move to 1 hour chart. All right, based on the 1 hour chart also we don't have any trade setup. All right, nothing here, we don't have any trade setup. How about if the price from here continue go lower, we don't trade it. Okay, if we get any small correction, it depends on the traders whether they want to trade or not, but what we are interested, we want to get the up move, and right now we don't have any information. It doesn't mean any trade setup for the up move. Okay, then all right, the things I want to highlight here is this. How about if the price comes a little bit lower, come to this level, we get the correction. In that times we need to see whether this correction can give us a move down or not before we trade it. Okay, how about if you want to look for buy, how about if what we get here repeat? See, the price drop, that means we get the correction, come up, give a correction, yes, we can look for buy. It's not exactly similar to what we have here, but if we get this, if here we get a similar situation like this, yes, we can trade, we can look as a buy setup. But how about if this move continue go lower? No, we are not looking too similar to what we have here. Okay, the thing is, I want to say here, if there is a continuation, we don't trade it. But how about if the price come a bit lower, come to this high, we give a correction, we need to see whether it can give us a down move, sell setup or not. Okay, because what we are more interested in the up move, and right now we don't have any buy setup. In that case we just follow the chart, and if I see any trade setup, any information, then I will share in the group. Okay, and right now we cannot say any sharp move, flag, buy. We are not looking for that. We want to get some correction here. That means I want to the one is correct a bit here, then before we get the up move. That's why I highlight this one. I refer to this. We get a bit correction before we get this one. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or any trade setup, then I will share in the group. Thanks.